Hello and welcome to yet another video about yet another Vadia 16. To me, these are probably the best CD players I've ever laid my hands on. That or Krell KPS 28C. You know, obviously I haven't had all of them, but from the couple of hundred that you see on YouTube and some more for which I haven't done any videos, this sounds the best. I bought this one because it was not enough of a good thing, and maybe I'll keep it for my second system, maybe I'll sell it, maybe I'll sell the other one that I have, but knowing what it is now, I paid 3 times as much as I did for the first one. So I have some more confidence in myself because I've done a few Vadias now. What's wrong with it? Well, a lot is wrong with it. First thing, and I think this is a reasonably common problem, you may wanna, if you look carefully, the display is somewhat busted. This is when people want to carry them and they put their hand there, and the result, as I can see, is say there is a board that's bolted there and there, but it's bowed, so that has to come off, and that's not easy to take it all apart, mainly because the bottom of it, the bottom plate of Vadia houses transformers and other bits that are bolted and the cables going, so it's not as easy as in other models that you can just remove the bottom. So that is one thing. The second thing is that there is no laser emissions at all. Some Smart Alec has, as you see, cranked up that power pot to the full, and that makes it good if it doesn't reach CDs for a few days, and then it just burns it out. So so that's that. That's a few $100 for a new KSS 151 head. And last but not least, as I always say, I have to start with the mechanics. Well, it's overdue for service. If you look, that belt that actually drives the VRD splatter up, that is very, very soft. It's not hasn't turned into goo as yet, but it needs replacing. So there it is. I'm happy because CD we are listening to this because it has an input, so I plugged in my test CD player there, and we are listening to that Vadia and using the Philips CD player as a transport. So I'm glad that the smart bits, input output board, all the Vadia electronic wizardry, audio section, all that works fine. So we basically are dealing with mechanical issues and a laser head, and that I should be able to handle, because that is basically esoteric P700 transport, and I've done over a dozen of those, so that should not be a problem. Although it will be expensive if I have to replace that head. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one. Bye bye.